If you want to turn your blurry anime video into crisp 4K quality, keep watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upscale any anime clip to true 4K using HitPaw VikPea. Now, let's dive in. First, click the download link in the description to download and install HitPaw VikPea. Then launch the software and go to the Video Enhancer interface. Import your anime video and choose the animation model, which is specially designed to sharpen anime and cartoon footage. Set the export settings to 4K and hit export. And that's it, you'll get a clean, crisp 4K anime video. But that's not all. If you want your video to look even smoother, HitPaw VikPea also supports frame interpolation. Just switch to the frame interpolation feature. Choose double or quadruple interpolation and export. Your anime video will instantly become smoother and more fluid. Besides that, HitPaw VikPea also offers many other powerful video editing features, such as removing subtitles or watermarks and repairing damaged footage. If you need those functions, feel free to check out our other tutorial videos. That's all for today's video. If helps, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.